Hey y'all, welcome back to Tidy with Toya. This is your girl Toya, where we keep it tidy, whether we're talking about cleaning, organizing, whether we're talking about your budget. We try to keep it tidy over here on this channel. And in this video today, we are going to be budgeting my side hustle income while also showing you a little happy mail. So if this is something that interests you, make sure you keep watching.
Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, go, go. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Ooh, yeah. I got anything.
Okay, y'all, so welcome back. Before we get started with my budget with me for my side income, I want to share with you all a little happy mail that I got. So I'm gonna bring the package over, and I was so excited about getting this package, y'all. This budgeter, her channel is called Cash with Jazz, and when I started researching cash stuffing, I came across her channel along with a few others, but she's definitely been one that I've been watching on a regular basis. And so I was very happy when she did a giveaway and I actually won. And so she sent me a few items. So before I start pulling things out, I'm going to first pull out the note that is attached with it. And the note says, "Hey babe, thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Jasmine, congrats again." Thank you so much, Jazz. All right, we're gonna move that to the side and I'm gonna show you what is in my happy mail. So we got a lip gloss. Oh my goodness, so I love me a good lip gloss. So Jasmine actually has a lip gloss line, and so this is from her lip gloss line, so I can't wait to try this out. Jazz, I will let you know how I love it. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. And then let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we got a fall into savings challenge. And so on this challenge, you can decide what the acorn is worth and what the leaf is worth and scratch off every time you save. Oh, this is going to be great. I think I'm actually going to put this towards my my debt payoff, Jazz, that we were talking about. So this is great. Thank you. This is so cute. Oh, and then we got a little Amazon gift card in here as well. That will definitely come in handy. Thank you so much, Jazz. Congratulations on reaching your subscriber goals to have this giveaway. I definitely appreciate you for picking me for this giveaway. So I also won another giveaway. Your girl was kind of lucky this week for some reason. So I won another giveaway, and Angbudgetanddebt, I feel like that's the name of it. I'm going to link it in the description box below, and I'm also going to link Jazz's YouTube channel in the box below as well. But Ange, I won her giveaway as well, and that was a $25 cash giveaway. And so thank you so much, Ange, and for the shout out on your channel. I definitely appreciate that. Both Ange and Jazz, I watch both of their channels. Jazz, her channel, she is a single mother, just trying to work her way up, pay off debt, and, provide a life for her girls. And so I definitely encourage you to check out her channel. She is really and truly an inspiration to me, and I'm sure she'll be an inspiration to you. And then Ange also has a budgeting channel as well, and she actually has her son that actually participates in stuffing cash on her channel as well. So I think that is the cutest thing, and just a beautiful way to show your children how to save and prepare for things at a very young age. So I definitely encourage you all to go and check out her channel as well. I definitely get lots of nuggets from both Ange and Jazz. I won another giveaway as well, but I will do that one on another video. I'm very excited about that giveaway as well, and the special person that I won that giveaway through. But without further ado, we will get started with our side hustle budget. So before today, I actually went through and planned out where I was going to put everything within this side hustle budget. So you didn't have to sit through that part of the video. Here, this weekend, I'll be doing a side hustle and hopefully earning $130. If I do earn more, then I will reevaluate this budget. But for right now, it'll be $130. And then I also received a little money from hubby to make a car payment. So see right here, this is where the car payment is going for the bills, the amount, the date, and then what that total is at the bottom. And then you will see where I'm going to be stuffing the remainder of the cash. So for my cash envelopes, if you remember, I do get paid on a monthly basis, and so I did separate out some cash to have for groceries for the next 2 weeks. It probably won't last me that 2 weeks, and that is when y'all know I'm gonna have to phone a friend, aka enlist my husband to help out with whatever part of the groceries that we may need. But then for eating, and then for eating out and coffee, I plan to designate $15. For the twins, I plan to designate $10. For fun money, I plan to designate $10. For miscellaneous, I'll designate $5. And then for blessings and my envelope, I am not going to stuff those. And so that'll be a total of $40, leaving behind $90. And then if we come over to our sinking funds, what I decided to do was I already knew how much I wanted to put towards emergency funds and the twins 529 under savings. And so for the emergency funds, I really divided up the rest of the money evenly between some sinking funds that I needed to stuff. And so this includes family celebrations, travel, my Tidywittoya, which is the YouTube channel, gifts. The twins have a birthday party that they've been invited to, and so I want to make sure that I'm able to get that child a gift, car taxes, because we have to renew tax at the end of the year, a little money towards our stockpile, some money for the house, which is just anything that we need within the house to operate, dish detergent, filter, stuff like that. Some money towards health. We were all sick here recently, and so we kind of went through all of the medicine that we had in the house, and so I need to kind of build that back up so that I can purchase some medicine for the next time that we will inevitably be sick. And then for shopping, I put $6 just because I want to get a few items for the twins. And so all of that, and then I had an extra $1, so I put that towards gifts, seeing that is the thing that's coming up sooner than everything else. And so the total will be $55 for that, and so the remaining will be $35. And so we come down to our savings for the emergency fund. I wanted to put $15, and then for their 529 I have $20, and then that brings the total to $35, which means I have $0 remaining, which means this is a zero-based budget. So as long as everything works out with the side hustle this weekend, we should be able to stuff all of these things, and then I will have another video coming out with that cash stuffing. So I know this video was pretty short and sweet, but I definitely want to come in and post a video and check in on you guys. And I also wanted to show off my nails, just in case you didn't notice in the video. The nails are lit, okay? So what you all don't realize is that I do not have like a beauty envelope, and I don't really stuff a whole lot in my envelope for myself, and that is because hubby makes sure that I get my nails done. Like, he does whatever he needs to do to make sure that these nails get done, and I really and truly appreciate and love him for that, because this is an expense that I don't have to put into the budget. So these nails are fabulous. Like, I just don't even have the words for them. So hopefully the person that did my nails this time will do them every other time. I may have to make an appointment because he is a highly sought out nail technician, but definitely loving the nails and loving hubby for making that happen for me this go round. So at any rate, I hope you all have a great week for the remainder of this week. Definitely leave me some comments down below and let me know how your week is going, how your budget is going this week, how you're feeling this week. I want to chat with you all and figure out, how you're doing and how you're doing with your budgeting or whatever else, may be going on in your life. Definitely hit me up down in the comments. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe. Of course, leave a comment down below. If you're new here, make sure you introduce yourself in the comments. I would love to chat with you and get to know you. If you're a returner, thank you for coming back and supporting me. Definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know you're here watching as well. And make sure you check out Angbudgetanddebt and also Cash with Jazz. I'll leave their descriptions, their channels in the description box below. Make sure you check out their channels because they are some awesome folks. And I mean, really, it's the budgeting community is an awesome community, and so these two folks are just two of those folks within that community, and they have great channels, and great tips and advice to offer as well. So definitely encourage you to check those out. Week, I will see you all in the next video, and until then, keep it tidy. See you in the next one. Bye.
Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha.